Inflation in the United States has hit 4-decade high. Lower-income households face the worst of the crisis.
In May, inflation hit 8.6%, the highest in 40 years.
Venezuela are now worth next to nothing due to the sky-high levels of inflation.
Venezuela, of course, a country where prices double every few weeks.
1923 was disastrous for Germany. In that year, the great German inflation reached its peak. To meet this crisis and pay the strikers in the Ruhr, the government simply printed more money. Millions, whatever figure was printed on the notes, really meant nothing. The German mark was worthless.
If the same amount of goods existed in the economy, but there was twice as much money, then we would think that the price of everything would double.
The infusion of cash into the financial system has renewed concerns that inflation could surge.
Simply flooded the system with money.
Yes, we did.